Hello class, we had to check today a question, interesting one on friction, or you may say Newton's law of motion. Depends which way you're presenting it to the students. This question is about there being three identical spheres. So there are three identical spheres, and what we do is we take one. Change to my color. One sphere, the other sphere, and the third sphere. So there are three identical spheres, and over them is placed another sphere. An age-old question. They are all identical. We have to find force on the top sphere. So form a tetrahedral. And here we are aware of that cos theta is equal to 1 by root 3. That is, an edge makes what angle with the plane? We have to keep it this way. Then this is the plane to us, this is the plane to us. This plane is making what angle with one of the edge. And that edge which I am talking about should not be housed by the plane. So if plane is xy, the horizontal, then the edge will be not housed by the plane. This edge is making what angle? That is theta. And cos theta is equal to 1 by root 3. There is one force on it this way on the top one, there is one force on it this way on the top one. So altogether, how many forces are there? We can check one. And they are making what angle also known to us. This angle is theta. So mg on the top one is downwards. This angle theta, this is 90 minus theta. Think about it. Theta, theta. So how many forces are acting on the top one? Three normals, we can say. Three normals from all the three. So three normals, 3n. And the angle that they are making. This angle is theta. So the top angle will be sine of the angle theta. Is equal to how much? Is equal to 80 degrees. Right. Check. Go this way, and then accordingly we get the angle. This gets us n. What will be n equal? So n is equal to, we got from there. That's good enough. Next is on any of the three which are on the table, what do we force? So we can mark it this way. On any of the three, normal will be, there will be only one normal acting from the top, and that will be in this direction. Right? So this is theta, this will also be theta. What we can check for them is component downward will be certainly balanced by the table. This will be the unbalanced one, and this is for us n cos of the angle theta. N cos of the angle theta. From here we'll get n. What is n to read from here? Now cos theta will be mg divided by 3 sin theta. mg divided by 3 sin theta. And we mark it as mg divided by 3 sin theta into cos theta. This will be the force in the direction out of the table. This is table to us, and this force will be in the direction this way, this way, this way. Now here we can improvise it by incorporating coefficient of friction or tension, which will keep the balls together. What will be tension? So there are many ways in which it can be presented. Cos theta is this base is 1 hypotenuse, is base by hypotenuse. Will be root 2 plus. Accordingly, we will get sin theta from here, cot theta from here. We will get the answer to these questions. Thank you. Till we meet again. Happy Independence Day.